Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve a beautiful mathematical expression, that is 16 minus 6 bracket 16 minus 6. But still many people fail to solve it because they did not take the right approach and write it like this: 16 minus 6 10 and 16 minus 6 10 and 10 times 10 100, which is the incorrect answer. Because when you have given multiple operation, that is subtraction, bracket, and then again subtraction, you have to follow order of operation, which is also known as PEMDAS or PEMDAS rule. Here P stands for parenthesis. That means first you have to solve the bracket, then exponent, then multiplication, division if given. Both have same priority, just solve it from left to right. Similarly, addition, subtraction. So 16 minus 6 is 10. Write the left of term 16 minus 6, and if there is no symbol between the number and the bracket, you have to just simply put the multiplication. Now you have two operations left, that is subtraction and multiplication. So as per this rule, we have to give priority to multiplication. So multiplication sign is between 6 and 10, that is 60. 16 minus 60, that is 44. So what is the correct answer? 44, not 100. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.